Hello my friends, today I'm making my daughter favorite chicken salad, and before we get to the video, hit the subscribe button for me please. Now today we're gonna make celery rotisserie chicken salad. First you get 3 cups of chopped up celery, chopped up in little pieces, okay, and the rotisserie chicken. You take the skin off the chicken and take the meat off the bone. You're gonna put it into a bowl and break them up in little pieces, because I'm wearing a pair of gloves so I can use my hands and break them in little pieces. Now that I get all the meat off the bone, I'm breaking them in little pieces, crushing them up, breaking them up, giving it some love, putting them in little pieces so you know it's easier to handle. See? Little pieces. Alright, giving it some love there, baby. Alright, now that and if there's any skin that come on in it, I'll take it out. Make sure I take it out, because I don't want any skin in it. There you go, there you go, there you go. Alright, there you go. No skin, I take it out. No skin, it goes in there, take it out. Want any bones in it or anything like that? No bones. You make sure you go through it, yes, and take out everything that may, accidentally fall in. Putting it together. Alright. Now I'm gonna add the celery. 2 cups. That I have 3 cups, so you could put between 2 to 3 cups. So I had 1 tablespoonful of black pepper. Okay, and then I'm adding in the celery. There's the celery. See, it's a lot in little small pieces, tiny pieces. I chop them up in. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it in. After I put everything in, I'm going to mix that up. I don't know, there's something about when you reheat the rotisserie chicken. For example, I bought it and I put it in my fridge. Overnight it was in the fridge, and when I wake the next day and ready to make my chicken salad, I put it in the oven and let it reheat it up. I don't know, it just make it so moist. There's a lot of moisture, very moist, very nice. added flavors and everything. Okay, so I mixing it together, make sure that I mix everything together. There you go, mix it up nicely. And then a half a cup of mayonnaise. You can put more mayonnaise in after you put the half a cup in. If you feel like you want more mayonnaise in it, you can add more mayonnaise to it. Depends on how big the chicken is. You can add more mayonnaise to it, you know, to make it big, to make to your taste. Okay, but I put mix it in nicely. And that's it. It's a chicken salad. Ready to be eaten. Yeah. And it's absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Put on a pair of gloves and mix it in. It mixed in much more evenly and much better. Yes, just use your hand and mix it much better. And after it's all finished, so this is the whole rotisserie chicken salad, making my chicken salad my daughter's favorite chicken salad. Now I am gonna make a salad for myself for my dinner. I'm making this salad for my dinner. It consists of carrot, strawberry, a half a cup of mixed nuts with cranberry, sunflower seed, and among other nuts and seeds, pumpkin seeds, all of those good stuff. Flaxseed, 1 tablespoonful of flaxseed, amino acid rich, very good for you. And I'm gonna use 3 scoops of the salad that I just made. This is my dinner. Absolutely beautiful salad. Absolutely beautiful. You can use your own. I don't use salad dressing, but you could use your favorite salad dressing on this chicken salad. You can. Okay? But there's a lot of things that I don't do, and salad dressing is one of them I don't do. Okay? So you do what you feel good doing. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. Share this video and I hope you try it. Okay? Try it to make that chicken salad. You're gonna love it. Okay? So thank you so much. Subscribe, share it with your friends, and have yourself a great morning, afternoon, or night. Thank you.